And the view is so nice. Kind of like purple on the bottom, blue, purple, pink. So nice. It's kind of like the first time I see this color combination. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here at Bonnabel boat launch. You can look at the water here. It's kind of cloudy. Yeah, man. It's been a while. I haven't been fishing, but let's do a walk around. Check it out. Water is wet here. Look like this two boater fighting. Like this guy truck ran into this other guy truck. Look at the ducks. Water is a little bit high. Look like some people is out there on the wave breaker. Are they fishing out there? They're fishing out there. Maybe they are fishing. I don't know, it doesn't look like they have a fishing rod. I'm not sure what they're doing out there. Walk to the pier here and see if anyone catching any fish.
Yes.
Look like this. See if anyone catch any fish.
Any fish?
Well, that looks pretty nice. Let's check with this guy, see if he catch anything. catch anything yet? How long you been out?
Not too long.
Okay. Let's go. Look at those birds. See what these guys doing over here. I don't have my glass on so I can see far. I think they're just chilling out there with their dog.
They're walk here.
See a lot of birds out there by the wave breaker. Let's go, Haley. I'm gonna take a walk down here. Really nice sunset is coming down right now. Hi, Harry.
Hi, Harry.
How's it going? Any luck yet?
Yeah, I just got a flounder.
Oh yeah? Keeper? Oh, it's not in season right now. It's not in flounder season right now.
Right now?
Uh-huh.
No, it is. You sure?
I think it's not yet. Oh, you got bite over there. Yeah. Yeah, it's not in flounder season right now. It's close season.
It's closed?
Yep. Until like November 15 or something.
Okay.
Watch out for some floods here. Are they fishing out there? Oh, look at that duck.
That's close.
Pretty nice day. I don't have my fishing rod here. It looked like this guy got a couple bite since I'm here. Now he caught a flounder. That bird flying out there. Maybe a pelican. That's just land right there. You see anything? You see anything out there?
It's because you put it in that one's smaller. So now it's dead. That's not the same one.
Alive.
It looks the same. Oh, it's dead. Oh, it's alive.
Oh, it's back alive.
Now it's back dead.
I think so.
Is there a fish out there? Small fish.
Plate?
Will they come back?
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Yeah, it
Careful.
just moved for like a second.
Well, we have
stay here and see if there's any bite on these rods here.
Catch
Oh man,
roach.
the view here is so nice. It's kind of purplish right now. This would be a really nice background right here.
If a fish dies, you can still pick it up and eat it, right? Oh, he's came back.
Should have never came back.
But no, I'm asking, if you see a dead fish in the sea, and you just pick him up and cook him, you think that would be alright?
Might be true. Because he just comes back. Yep, he's coming back.
Or maybe he's actually suffering from There is ghosty.
Alright, you want to get into the view with Daddy? Look at this view. Say hello.
Hello,
Beautiful view.
be here.
Sunset.
Say.
See. Sun completely blocked by that building. Just realized that someone installed some fishing rod holder on these posts right here. So that's something new. Like there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pole that has fishing rod on it, holder on it. Let's go, Haley. They only have it on one side. Probably someone installed it.
Have a good one.
You too, man. Yeah, the view is so nice. It's kind of like purple on the bottom, blue, purple, pink. So nice. It's kind of like the first time I see this color combination. Hi Haley, what are you doing? You ready to go to the playground? Let's go. Alright guys, that will be it for the fishing tour. It's pretty not bad. Got a couple more guys coming up to fish. Vietnamese. Alright guys, hit that like button, drop me a comment and subscribe to my channel. Peace, play guys. See y'all next time.